What next after the wall? What next after the wall? Plastering. Okay, plastering is there. Amount of plastering work we will calculate now. Amount of plastering work. Sixth one, you write. And it is said that in the problem it is 12 mm plaster with proportion 1:6. Same thing I will write here. 12 mm plaster. 12 mm plaster, cement and sand with 1:6. 1:6. The plastering it will be provided on both the sides, both inside as well as outside the wall. Okay. While doing the calculation, you need to individually calculate the amount of plastering work at inside portion and outside portion, because you will not have same dimensions corresponding to the plastering work in inside as well as outside. I will tell you. Okay, first we will take inside. Okay, see, all of you listen here. With respect to the plastering, if it is inside the wall, means inside surface of the wall, then whatever the height of the wall is there, to that height of the wall only we will provide the plastering. Okay, if it is outside the wall, then what will happen? The plastering needs to be provided both at the plinth as well. Correct? The plinth will also be exposed. Okay, outside. Therefore, the plinth should also be included there while doing the plastering work outside the wall. Okay, the plinth which is above the ground level, not the below the ground level. The plinth, height of the plinth which is there above the ground level, that should also be taken into consideration while doing the plastering work. That is why we need to do individual calculations. Okay, first we do the calculation for inside wall. Inside wall, here you write inside. What is the unit of plastering here? In terms of square meter only, not the cubic meter. The thickness of the plastering will be neglected. Okay, here also as like DPC, thickness will be neglected. Only height as well as the length of the plastering will be considered. Okay. The quantity is 1 only. The length of the plastering is how much? Equal to length of the wall only 6 meter. 6 meter. And width or thickness will not be there. The height of the plastering will be there. What is the height of the plastering? Inside. It is equal to height of the wall only. At inside, no problem. Okay. It is equal to 3.5 meter only. I hope you are all understanding. 3.5 meter. 3.5 meter. Calculate the total quantity. How much? 21 square meter. 21 square meter. Then you calculate outside. Calculate outside. Number is 1. Length it will be same only 6 meter. Thickness neglected. And height of the plastering. I will go to the figure. What will be the height of the plastering? Height of the plastering 3.5 meter plus 6 meter. All of you go to the problem. All of you read the problem. The last point you read, that is fifth wall finishing is there. No, you go through there. There last point you need. You need to read. You go through it. Outside wall 12 mm cement plastered 1:6, including 10 centimeter below ground level. Okay, the plastering it is done 10 centimeter below ground level as well. Okay, it went 10 centimeter below ground level as well. So you need to consider that 10 centimeter extra height. Okay, therefore Therefore, here height will be how much? 3.5 meter plus 0.6 meter plus 10 centimeter below ground level, that is 0.1 meter. Okay. Therefore, the height will be 3.5 meter plus 0.6 meter plus 0.1, 4.2. Tell me the answer. How much? 25.2. 25.2 square meter. In the remarks column, you can write 3.5 plus 0.6 plus 0.1. This you can mention it as 10 centimeter below ground level. Okay. Now you do the total calculation. What will be the total plastering work? The answer. 40? Yes, 46.2. 46.2 square meter. Okay. Then after plastering, in the problem it is said that whitewashed with 3 coats. Okay, the inside wall. Okay, inside wall whitewashed with 3 coats.